Hi guys, I'm Chef Avi, and in this episode of Avi's Kitchen, I'll be making chicken wings. Two ways. The first step of making wings would be prepping our chicken. On a chopping board, I'll divide my chicken wings into wings and drumettes. We'll be using both of these today. If you can find with skin chicken, that would be ideal, but I could not find it in India, so I'm using skinless chicken wings today. Now that our wings and drumettes have been taken care of, we'll start making our dredge for the wings, and these are the ingredients we'll need. Our chicken wings, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, corn flour, all-purpose flour, salt, pepper, and some oil for deep frying later. In a big mixing bowl, add in all your ingredients, your corn flour, all-purpose flour, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. Give it a good mix. You can find all ingredient quantities in YouTube description box below. Now we'll add our chicken wings into this dredge, coating it evenly and tapping off excess flour. Set aside on a different platter and let it sit for around 15 to 20 minutes. Meanwhile, we'll heat our oil and prepare our sauces. Now that our chicken is resting, let's start making our sauces. We'll start with making our buffalo hot sauce. It's one of the most popular wing sauce in the world, and this is how we make it. In a saucepan over low heat, add in your hot sauce. I'm using Frank's Red Hot sauce, your Worcestershire sauce, big chunks of garlic, and your butter. Mix it all together and let it simmer over low heat for around 5 to 10 minutes. Then set aside and let it cool completely. Your buffalo sauce is ready. Now that our buffalo sauce is done, let's start making our spicy Asian wing sauce. It's more like a honey soy sauce, and this is how we make it. Heat some oil in a saucepan and add in some minced ginger and garlic. Saute them for a little bit, making sure not to let them burn. Add in your soy sauce and your spicy Szechuan sauce. Mix it all together. Then I'm adding my honey and let it simmer on low heat for around 5 minutes until the sauce thickens. I'll also add in some lemon juice. Pour it in a container and set aside. Our sauces are ready. Now we are ready to fry our chicken. We'll fry them at a really low temperature for 3 minutes on each side first. At this point, it won't get really golden or really crispy, but that's alright. Take it out in a plate with kitchen towel roll and set aside for 5 minutes. Meanwhile, increase the temperature of your wok. Then fry your half-fried wings at the higher temperature for another 2 to 3 minutes until they get really crispy and golden. Now that our sauces are ready and wings is fried, we are ready to assemble everything. In a bowl, add some buffalo sauce and chicken wings. Cover it with a plate and give it a good toss. Our buffalo chicken wings are ready. To finalize our Asian wings, in a frying pan over medium heat, add your sauce and then your chicken wings. Cook them a little bit. Give it a good toss and your Asian wings are ready. Now that both our wings are ready, I like to plate them in a platter. And lastly, I like to sprinkle some toasted white sesame seeds over my Asian wings. It's ready to be served and I cannot wait any longer. Reminds me of the best buffalo wings I've had in Canada. Oh, come on. It's perfect amount of sweet and spicy. If you do not like very spicy wings, this is the wings for you. Finger licking good. If you make these recipe, please click pictures and tag me on Instagram. Until then, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.